Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. This is the Nissan GTR and this is by Tomica from their premium series. And the scale is 1 by 62. So and this is feeling a bit heavy. And so let's unbox and see how this one actually looks. So I got to know from one of my friend, this casting looked absolutely beautiful. So I'm really, having that excitement. Okay. So here it is. So let's unbox this. I'm hoping this would be a little bit bigger than the Subaru VRZ. Okay, that is feeling a bit heavy. Let's see. This one doesn't have that paper. I'm not sure, maybe it's country specific or something like that. Okay. Here is the casting itself. The first impressions of this casting, the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. So there are some paint bubbles here. I'm not sure because it's plastic or something. It looks like this spoiler is plastic. So you can see some paint bubble here. But apart from that, I don't see much of an issue. It's just some dust. There is some kind of, I don't know if it is scratch or doesn't feel like a scratch, but something is there. So it has acrylic headlights, which is really nice. The logo placement is really nice. It has grille details here, and the rims looks really nice. It's really beautiful. And okay, the tail lights are painted, which I was expecting for this particular casting. It has exhaust details here, and the chassis is actually plastic, it's not metal, and it doesn't have much of a chassis detailing, but it has a little bit. So it has good interior detailing to it. It has the rear view mirror on the interior, the windshield here. Okay, let's open this here. I'm not sure why it is getting stuck a little bit. Okay, it is like stopping here and then I need to pull it out here. I'm not sure, I never faced any issue with Tomica when it comes to moving parts, but this one feels a little bit, I don't know, finicky, I guess. Okay, it is a beautiful casting if you ask me, but it does have some issues with it. You can see some issue with the paint job here. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe they painted on top of this accidentally. Okay, let's do a suspension test. Yeah, it does have suspension. So personally, I do love the rims because it looks so nice and true to this particular car. So let's weigh this car. I'm not sure how much, but it does feel heavy in my hand. So I'm hoping somewhere around 40 to 45 grams. Okay, 49, this topped Subaru BRZ. Okay. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. It does roll really nice. I don't see any wheel wobble, to be honest. Maybe front wheel a little bit, but not really, not that much. Since the casting is heavy, it does roll really well. I mean, most of the Tomicas, I know it doesn't even roll that well. Honestly, the interior dash looks really nice. I really wish I had a better way to show this to you guys. So that's it for today guys. If you like my video, hit thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.